Holy shit, it's actually happening. Time to do the video to see who actually gets the fuck in. We're live. My computer wants to cooperate. 9:33 p.m. Marcus on top. Darren on bottom. 2 dice. Somehow there's 101 entries. Why is that? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have 2 42s. So hi, you're only going to pay for 4 spots. I believe you told me 41 through 44 anyway. There we go. Easy fix. 1, 2, 3, 4. My bad. Where are we at? Live, okay. 100 entries, 935. Roll the dice, 4 or higher. 7 times. Good luck. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7th and final. Dan is spot 1. Spot 28's Ricky. All these in the break. Spot 29, Danny White. You get a box of A&G. And Dan Retchcomer, you get a box of A&G as well. Copy this. It's going to be a long ass fucking video. We're done. $9.36.